Before I got born again, I used to be sickly. Almost every other month I fell ill. Then I got born again. And I was shocked because after a while, I still fell ill. You may be there, you're wondering, how come I still go through certain experiences even though I'm born again? Today's Rhapsody Realities provides you a special knowledge that will catapult you to a whole new level. Go ahead and study it. If you're not a partner yet, this is the day. Become a partner. I want to give a challenge today. I want you to be a part of 1,000 persons who will give for 100 copies of Rhapsody Realities today. Click and give today for Rhapsody Realities. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and your next level is only a click away. Have a fantastic day. God bless you.